Hey, WTF Creeper, and I'm doing football with my brother. Oh no. I'm not very good at football, I'm more of the rugby player, as you probably all know. Come on then, go on, go on, go on. Come on then. Stop it. I knew you were going to do that. Ready.
Shoot from there.
That's what we're trying to do. Oh!
Oh!
Ready for down, try to shoot.
How could you fail that?
Oh, no.
How could you fail that again?
Oh! Oh! Just so you know, I'm 12 and my brother's 10. So yeah, he's pretty good at football. He plays it all the time. That's me, I play rugby all the time. When I got the new Bioshock Infinite, pretty good actually.
It's infinite, not infinite.
What?
It's infinite, not infinite.
I don't care. Sounds the same to me.
You don't care about one.
Score! He does the back and bend and he scores. Ah! And he whacks his foot off the ground. He saves it once again. Because he's an amazing goalie. Whoa.
Joe Hart really make this.
Whew.
Guerrero really make this shot.
Oh.
When it hits the post, Britain,
So what's my?
I didn't handball it.
Petric's Chelsea's goalie, isn't he? Petric's Chelsea's goalie, isn't he? Yeah, I'm Petric. What? Shut. No, they're not. Chelsea are. Chelsea are the best. Got crappy.
United 1-0 today. Demba Ba amazing goal. And I mean, my friend said that unless Man United lose every game and Man City win every game,
Yeah.
then Man City will win again.
Man City will what?
Man City will win the league again, like they did last year.
Really? Oh, never knew.
Last year, it was so
Oh yeah, ready.
shocking. Amazing shocking. Because in the last 5 minutes, what's his name? He scores a goal.
Yeah.
Edin Dzeko, I think. Yeah?
Yeah.
In like 2 minutes later.
Let me take a penalty. Right, I want to try and see if I can do a proper back and flip, back and bend. Oh, he saves it. Lucky. goes off the post. Oh yeah, I've had my room done today, so it's pretty good.
What?
I had my room painted and I helped paint it.
Having it purple? I'm having it purple.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
I have mine purple as well. Ready.
And Joe Hart saved it.
Pet check doesn't. You need a Aguero scores it. No, you just saved it, didn't you?
Joe Hart saves it and Aguero scores it.
No, I thought you just save it. Ooh.
No one makes me.
I keep eating the barbecue for some reason. I'm beginning to think the ball doesn't like the barbecue.
No, if we were the actual football pitch, this would be a lot less.
I know. I know. We can do another video at the football pitch tomorrow. What? Oh yeah. Gordon at the window.
I don't like cats. I'm allergic to them.
I don't mind him. Right.
Dogs are the best. Especially our dogs.